So you want to get into tricking, but you're not really sure where to start. The butterfly kick is an excellent introductory skill that will allow you to get both the confidence and the movements to lead into your harder tricking skills, such as your butterfly twists, corkscrews, kick the moons, any of these type of tricking skills. So today, we're going to work on the butterfly kick to make sure it's nice and solid as you move through your tricking.
Here's an example from the front, an example from the side, and lastly, an example from the back. First, set up with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Kick across the front of you, landing on your kicking leg while completing a 360-degree turn. The takeoff is critical. You want to dip low and push up strong. Add a jump to make sure you've got it. The kick is critical. Kick up strong with your kicking leg, have your takeoff leg follow behind it, and land with your kicking leg first, right next to you as discussed earlier. Finally, combine it all together, the strong jump with the kick, to complete the skill like this.
So some problems that people have when they're working on the butterfly kick. It's mainly centered in about 3 areas. Not getting enough power from the takeoff leg, not getting enough kick from the kicking leg, and having bent legs in general.
Many people will forget to bend their legs and dip, preventing them from getting a strong jump to execute the move. This is not as strong as it could be. And bent legs cause a less than pretty move.
So that's how you do the butterfly kick. It's a simple, very beautiful move when done correctly. And it leads into other tricking skills, especially the butterfly twist, which we're going to discuss now. So here we are in the gym. I recommend using a gym for pretty much any skill where you lose sight of the ground in order to make sure that you're 100% safe. And I've also found that it gives people the confidence they need to go 100% on their skill, especially while they're learning it, because confidence is always the key. So with that in mind, having just learned the butterfly kick, we're going to take it up a notch, add a full twist, and learn the butterfly twist. So, the butterfly twist is a combination of 2 things. The butterfly kick, which we just learned, and a full twist, which means we need to learn how to full twist. So what you're going to do, you can go on a trampoline, we're going to do it on the floor, it's perfectly fine. Just going to jump up, spin 360 degrees, and try and land right where you took off.
Make sure that you twist in the direction of your butterfly kick, and try to keep your body as straight as possible throughout the twist.
So once you've mastered the twisting, it's time to add it into your butterfly kick to make the entire skill. We're set up here with the pit. If you've got one, use it. If not, that's okay. This can be done on the floor. Put a mat in the pit. We're going to combine butterfly kick with the full twist in the middle, spot for the ground, and land back on your feet, like this.
Be sure to spot over your shoulder to be able to find your landing. Under-rotating is one common problem caused by not spotting for your landing. Over-rotation is a similar problem.
Once you're comfortable doing your butterfly twist into a pit, if you have one, or if you don't have one, this is going to be the next step for you. You're going to work on the butterfly twist on the ground. If you have a mat, I would recommend using it at least at first. The nice thing about this skill, if you don't, as I mentioned earlier, is it bails onto its side. So you probably aren't going to get injured too much if you don't make it all the way. You're going to set up, going to do your butterfly twist, spot for the ground, land back on your feet. When you're comfortable landing it on the mat, or if you don't have a mat, or if you just choose you don't want to try it on the mat, you go for it, flat ground. Skill remains the same, still jump just as strong, twist just as fast, spot your landing, and land. There you have it, the butterfly twist. Just your butterfly kick with a full twist in the middle. A very fun, easy to do skill which can get you started in tricking, or just something fun to add to your skill set. I'm Matt with Team PKOUT. Check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Have a good one.